Hello folks. Today we will cover one topic here, which is interface, how to use interface method in TypeScript. So let me show you one by one how we can relate interface with implement keyword, how we can implement methods and create a proper interface. To use interface method, we need to use the implement keyword. So sometimes with the property we also define some method names. So means that method names are also mandatory in that class. So we also create those methods and we can implement those methods in the with the implement keyword. So I will show you with the example. Uh, so let me show you one example here. So here we have created an interface which has methods. Let me show. So here we have created an interface which has method to number. These are the properties we have. These are optional properties because the question mark is marked here, and this is the method name. So with the method name, we also need to assign the return type. What is return type? So if you want to use this interface, if you want to use it any property, then simply you can declare like that. Means you can create a property and write the interface here. But if you want this means if you want to use the method names, then what you need to do for this? Then for this, what you need to do? So you need to with the class name you need to use implement keyword, and then you can use the product new. This is the interface name, and you can use the method name. Sometimes these mistakes happen. Means sometimes we have here we have declared an interface, but here we have defined. Uh, so as you can see here, it is showing the error. Like means because we have changed the naming of this method. So as you can see here, it is showing here. Means property to number is missing in type C but required in type product name. So if we change it to the small t, then it will work. And here we also need to give some return type. So means like that way we can you can use any interface here. And here we also declared the properties name whichever you want to use in the class. So next is means currently we have covered this interface method. We need to means how to use interface methods. So next is how to extend type of any interface. So let me show you how you can extend any type of any interface. Suppose this is an interface we already have product base, and if you want to reuse the properties of these interface, then what you can do, you can create a new interface and then implement that interface here. With means you just need to extend, means you have created a new interface and you can extend this product based interface, then it will include these two properties also in this interface. So you can also extend multiple interface from another interface. This provides to complex members of an interface to another, so it gives higher degree of flexibility by separating our interface into reusable components. So we can extend an interface means all properties described in the source interface will be available in result interface. So this is the way we can handle the things with the interface. If you want to extend any interface, if you want to reuse the properties of any interface. So thanks guys for watching.